There's a lot of ways how you can make your barbecue. But you see this my method when I use it, my brother, my sister, if you try this method, you no go ever like try another method again of doing your catfish barbecue. Now, let's dive into my kitchen and see what I did and see how I make my own catfish barbecue in my kitchen. Now, this is my pot I will be using. I don't already wash and they can't put am for my pan. Add my vegetable oil. They can't put am my onions. After that one, my people, as you can see on the video, I can't put my pepper, which is atarado, ginger and garlic. I put them together. Then I can't put on my spring onions and my bell pepper, different type of color. I have green, yellow and red. I put everything together. Then I can't put all the spices, all the ingredients when I get from my kitchen. As you can see now, the thing is readable. Now we go come blender for this our odogo machine. After we don't blend am, now my people go come turn and put for your bone. Then let's go and bring our odogo catfish. Look at it. I've already washed. I'm cutting able off camera, my people. I use salt and lime to wash this my catfish one and they see for here. I wash them thoroughly. You understand? Now I dey put my salt, seasoning powder and black pepper. Can't use a fete marinade. Then can't put this our sauce when we do. Try your barbecue like this, You will always come back to my page and say, Mama, thank you for this recipe. Have you ever tried this method of barbecue before? If not, try it and give me my thank you under the comment section. After that one, my people will come put our Irish potato inside. The thing never even ready for you, but my mind just dey tell me say, Madam, just start to the eat. Make I just start to the eat. You understand? Then after this one, my people go come cover and then put them for inside our oven for few minutes. Voila, our catfish barbecue will be ready. Now we not go just make only barbecue like that. We start something attached to it. You understand? Now so make I fry small idodo. Then we'll come use am to enjoy ourselves later. Guys, it's weekend. What are you eating in this weekend? That's make I bring you this recipe in case you not get anything for mind when you want to do this weekend. Try this recipe. You will come and give me my thank you under the comment section. So guys, our catfish barbecue is ready. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye for now.